Hello guys and welcome back. So for today we are just going to have this chimney removed. As you can see, it's poking out a little bit, and I will have to do the external wall insulation on this side only, and my client instructed me to take even the chimney breast down and repair it after. What I mean, to repair the hole after we are going to take it out. So anyway, onto this video, we are just going to remove it completely and see how difficult it is to remove chimney breast that is poking outside of the house. Now on this particular one, the side that is poking out of the roof, it was already removed, so we don't have nothing above, and it's just this bit that we need to remove. So right, the rainy season has started, so I have to put some plastic sheet on the top. That is going to keep the rain away, and it's going to be quite easy for me to work underneath here. So yeah, at this point let's just crack on. Now this place is so tight and it's very difficult to install my towers because of the space. I just have like about 80 centimeters, and I have loads of pipes around that are giving me troubles, like that one, and I cannot put any board at the bottom. I will have to do something about that because it's not quite safe. At the moment I'm not going to work too much around here till I'm not going to solve that problem. Anyway, back to our chimney. I'm just going to start from the bottom and work my way out to the top. And now that is going to take some time, so let's just time lapse it. Alright guys, so look at that. But I believe now we are making history. Let me show you. We have something hidden inside here. What can it be? Ooh. I think I have another tool onto my toolbox. Let's see. Ooh. And that is just what I needed. Look at that. I don't need to go into my van to take my hammer. I already have one. That is beautiful. Who knows? Maybe I'm going to find even some gold. Maybe. Well, it's not going to do the job, isn't it? All right, so I will have to crouch up here. I just blocked my camera with a screw onto the scaffolding board, and now I will just need to do this small bit, but I will have to block all the rubble up here. I will try to keep them up here. I don't want any of these bricks to fall down, because it's a quite big distance, and maybe I will break some pipe or something like that. And another small bit to do, and we are done. And cut. Perfect. So, as you can see, I started to do some making good, all the repairs, so covering all the holes. I started to render a little bit this side of the wall. Now, all the brickwork, it's quite hard, because I've done a few other jobs around here. I started to do the EPS boards, so I started to stick the EPS boards. I didn't film that because it doesn't have nothing to do with this job right here, but like I said, onto this house I am doing even the external wall installation, and you can see the boards down there. I reach at this point, and now I will try to fill all this side, making it a little bit better, cover all these small holes, and then I'm going to stick my EPS boards on top. So yeah, definitely if it's going to be a finished job, so let's say you are not going to do external wall insulation on this side, have to do the repairs and try to match the old pebble dash with the new side that it was taken off. But because I'm doing the external wall insulation, it's not a big deal. and doesn't have to look that great at the back. So right now I'm just going to fill a little bit more with some adhesive, and yeah, then I'm going to stick my EPS boards on. Alright, so that is done for now. I'm just going to leave it to go off to set, and then I'm just going to put my EPS boards, and I'm going to fill a little bit more because at the moment it's not flat. So yeah, I will try with that not to have too many gaps at the back of the EPS board. So yeah, definitely it will need more attention. So yeah, let's just leave it to go off for now. Alright, I've done all of my boarding, and I left one more board to put on, and it's the one at the back of the chimney right here. Don't know how good you can see because there isn't any light here because of the plastic sheet that I have it on top. Probably next time I will try to find a white one, because that is not going to change the color and it's not going to be this dark. Actually, I tried to find one, but I couldn't. Everything that it was available, it was this blue one. So yeah, I just need to put one more board and we finished with the boarding. And after I'm going to finish this one, just going to carry on with my drilling for my fixings, and then I'm going to we are going to have a walkthrough with all I've done onto this wall, so you can have a better idea of what's going on here. Now outside it's raining, but here it's quite cozy. So let's fix this board without my camera to fall down from the scaffolding, hopefully. Of course, before I'm going to forget, I will still need to paint that and fill it and paint the small piece of timber that I fixed it up there. So all right, so the chimney is gone now. Everything looks good. I will still have a lot of work to do on this wall, but for now I'm just going to jump a few steps, and I'm going to show you what's going on around here. Alright guys, so I told you, as soon as I'm going to finish, I'm going to do a walkthrough with you to see what exactly happened. And now it's all done. Now, as you can see, the chimney there, and before the chimney was somewhere around here on this side, and it completely vanished, and now it's all rendered, including even of the extension right here. And I have to say I had loads of headaches with the weather and with the scaffolding. That's why we have this line over here, because I split it in half. I've done first the top bit and then I've done the bottom bit, because the scaffolding, it wasn't enough space for the scaffolding, because we have about 80 centimeters here, and guess what, my towers have 80 centimeters, so we didn't have enough space to do that, and that's why we struggled a lot to do this job. But this is the end, and it's all looking fine. And yeah, so guys, don't forget to squeeze that like button, and see you on the next one, because our video is going to end here.